Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you are watching a new video. The topic of this video is how to delete or disable or manage unused apps on Android. These apps that takes the place of your memory or device memory or RAM that affect on the speed of the device, or even they use the internet or your access to the device, or hidden hide take the some hidden space. You can uninstall apps you have installed on your phone. If you remove an app you paid for, you can reinstall it later without buying it again. You can also disable system apps that came with your phone. Important point is to remember that some of these steps work only on Android 13 and up. Delete apps that you installed. How to delete apps that you have installed? At the top right, tap the profile icon, then tap manage apps and devices. Manage, then go to the section of manage. Tap the name of app you want to delete, then select the app that you want to delete. Tap uninstall. Then you have to move the following. You have to follow the following tips. If you delete or disable app, you can add it back to your phone. Yes, we have discussed this already, that if you have mistakenly delete the app, you can re-add that app to download, or you can add this app again to your device. If you bought an app, you can reinstall it without buying it. And again, disable apps that came with your phone. So those apps that you don't use and are built in your phone, or that come with your device, that are when you buy it are new, and that are given by the mobile software or company, you can uninstall that apps. You can't delete some system apps that came pre-installed on your Android phone, but on some phones you can turn off that or disable that those apps. So unused apps, if you haven't used apps for a long time, the Android optimization apps permission stop the apps that running in the background and sending any notification. You can go to apps, then unused apps, to review apps that were unused and have been optimized. If you want to exclude any specific app from this feature, go to app info, unused apps, pause app activity. If unused, toggle then and turn this off. So this was how you can turn off the app or unused apps on your devices, or you can optimize to them. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you will like this video and share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.